Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Self Care Official. Today we're gonna prepare yam chips, guys. So here I have the yellow yam here in my hand. So I'm gonna use a piece of this yellow yam so to fry the chips, right? Yam chips it is. So welcome. So you can try this, my friend. Yes, very tasty and delicious. Jamaican yellow yam fried with fried chicken. And here we have vegetable to accompany it. Try this one, my friend. Yummy delicious. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share to a friend, guys. Share to a family member. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna prepare yam chips. Yes, we're gonna fry this yellow yam, a piece of this yellow yam, and make yam chips with fried chicken and vegetable at the side. So stay tuned guys so to see the product at the end. It's gonna be delicious, yummy, yummy, yummy guys. So like up the video, share the video to your friends and family. Yes, guys, yum chips and fried chicken. So there is the yam, guys, the amount that I'm gonna use to prepare the chip. Yes, there it is. So stay tuned. I'm gonna slice it up. Yes, cube it up, not cube it up, not slice it up, but strip it. Yes, cut it in strips. That's the yam there. So I'm gonna cut it in strips. Yes. So here it is guys, all stripped and ready. The yam chips, all peeled, cut in strips, ready so to fry. We're gonna add some of this here so to give it taste. Yes, Maggi season all purpose so to give it taste, right? There it is. Here it is. Season it so to let it have that yummy taste there. That is it right there. Our yam stick. Gonna prepare with fried chicken and vegetable. So let's add it to the pot now, guys. There the pot is with the hand. Oil in the pot. Already hot. Ready for frying of our chip. And there our chip frying. Yellow yam it is, guys. Jamaican yellow yam. Yes. So let's turn up the heat. Stay tuned, guys, for the end product of our yellow yam chips and fried chicken. Guys, while our yam chips being goldenly fried, yes, this is the yam chip here, goldenly frying. Yes, look at it, goldenly frying. Over here we have some flour along with some of the same Maggi seasoning, which we're going to incorporate into the flour there. And this is the chicken seasoned 2 days ago. So we're going to place them into the flour them so to fry as well, right? Look at them, look at it, yummy, 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 yum. Here is our chicken, guys, all ready to fry. Yes, our chicken all floured and ready to go into the pot here, all fried and ready to go into the pot here, all flour into the pot. Take off the excess flour, guys. Place it here in the pot. Yes. Take off the excess flour and place into the pot to fry. Here we are going to close the pot for it to properly fry. Soak right to the bone. Right, guys? Stay tuned. This is what the vegetable looks like, guys. That gonna accompany with the yam chips and the fried chicken. So we have cabbage here, we have cucumber here, we have carrot, onion, and here we have tomato. Here we have mayonnaise. Yeah. So all of this gonna combine and give us that delicious, vegetable. Here it is, guys. The end product of our vegetables. All vegetables together incorporate with the onion and the mayonnaise. Look at it, guys. Delicious. So this is going to be a side with the yam. Yes, Jamaican yellow yam fried with fried chicken. Wow, look at it. All colorful. Chicken in pot, guys. Slowly frying. Golden, golden fried, guys. Ready to consume. Look at it. Yum, yum, yum. Look at the chicken, guys. Yummy, 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 yummy. Ready to consume. Slowly fried. This is the end product of our yam. Yes, yellow yam. Fried chip. Yes, with fried chicken over here, along with vegetable. Deliciously prepared. Yum, 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 guys. Grab your share, my friend. Take your share. Delicious. Yummy, yummy. So you can try this, my friend. Yes, very tasty and delicious. Jamaican yellow yam fried with fried chicken. And here we have vegetable to accompany it. Try this one, my friend. Yummy, delicious. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share to a friend, guys. Share to a family member. Delicious. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy, my friend. Look at the chicken. Look at the chips. Look at it. Yummy.